Without flour, only using a can of corn will make this wonderful cake a grandma's recipe. We'll use 4 eggs, 2 cans of corn without the water. And the nice here is that we are going to use the can as a measure. So 2 cans of sugar. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from. 2 cans of cornmeal. This one is in flakes, okay? You can buy in the supermarket. 2 cans of milk. A can of oil. And let's beat everything very well in the blender until it is all homogeneous. This cake is amazing. It is super fluffy, guys, made with corn. To finish it, we'll add a tablespoon of baking powder, the one we use for cakes, okay? Beat a little bit just to mix the baking powder. Let's put it in a greased form with oil or butter and with cornmeal. Take it to the preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes or until you see that it's brown on top of it, just like on the video. There's no secret, guys. And seriously, this cake is amazing. I believe and defend that everything that you make with corn is wonderful. So seriously, just look at it. It is super beautiful. It has a very beautiful color as well. And it won't use flour. So if you can't eat flour, if you're in a strict diet, this cake can help you. When I make it at my house, it doesn't last anything. Everybody eats everything. Make it for your breakfast or afternoon snack, or send for your friend who has to make this cake for you. And don't forget to comment down here our rate for 0 to 10. Your opinion is always very important for us. And I'm almost sure that this cake deserves a 10. Take a look how fluffy it is. It doesn't even look like flour. And if you watched this video until here, it's a sign that you liked this recipe. So don't forget to tell me down here what you thought about it, or tell me your experience with that if you decide to make it at your house. Thank you so much for watching this video until here, guys. I hope you liked it, and see you guys on the next video.